Let's do some numericals. First one, calculate the half life. It means we need to calculate T half. Rate constant means K is equal to 2 minute inverse. Students, with the help of its unit, you conclude very easily that it is first order reaction, because the rate constant having unit second inverse, minute inverse is of first order reaction. So how can we calculate the T half? T half for first order reaction is equal to 0.693 by K. We will keep 2 in place of K, 0.693 by 2. And when we will divide, it will become 0.3465. This is the T half and unit will be minute. In this way, we can calculate the half life. The second question is the rate constant. It means K. K is equal to 60 second inverse. Again, we will get here that the reaction is first order reaction. How much time? It means we need to calculate here T. Will it take to reduce the initial concentration of reactant to 1 by 16? It means R naught, if we are taking here R naught X, what is R? R is X by 16. R by X by 16. 1 by 16 reactant बचा है. We will keep this value in equation. What is the equation? K is equal to 2.303 by T log R naught means X by 16. The 16 will come up. X means it become log 16. K is equal to T is equal to T इधर चला गया K 2.303 by 60 log 16. How we will calculate the value of log 16 now? Log 16 is equal to log 2 to the power 4 and it will become T is equal to 2.303 by 60 log 2 to the power 4. This 4 come here. And what is the value of log 2? 0.3010. Then it becomes 2.303 into 2.303 into 4 into 0.3010 by 60. You will calculate the value. And what will be the unit? Because here the time given in second inverse, the unit is second. Next question. Next question is rate of decomposition of a substance become 4 times. Means rate of reaction 4 गुना हो गया अगर हमने कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को डबल किया. किसके? रिएक्टेंट के. आपको ऑर्डर निकालना है. फर्स्ट रेट लॉ इक्वेशन R इज इक्वल टू K A टू द पावर, लेट्स A इज द रिएक्टेंट, X. बिकॉज हमें ऑर्डर नहीं पता, हम यहाँ X लिखेंगे. अब 4 टाइम्स क्या हो जाता है? रेट. इट मीन्स 4R. व्हेन जब हम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को डबल करते हैं, it means K 2A and the power will be same X, because we still not know, हमें अभी भी नहीं पता कि ऑर्डर क्या होगा. हम इन दोनों रिएक्शंस को डिवाइड करेंगे. फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड इक्वेशन विल डिवाइडेड. R कैंसल, K A. What will be the result? The result is 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power X. And we will write 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 2. means what will it become? 1 by 2 to the power 2 is equal to 1 by 2x. Now what is the order? Order is 2. On comparing we will get the order, that will 2. This way we will calculate the order of reaction. The next one is these numericals are very important. The rate of decomposition of a substance becomes 27 times. Again we will write the rate equation. Let's suppose R is equal to K A to the power X. Again we don't know the order. On tripling the concentration means A becomes 3A. K X. If it become 3 times, the rate become 27 times. 27 R. अगर इसको 3 टाइम्स किया कॉन्सेंट्रेशन को, तो ये कितना हो गया है? 27 टाइम्स. अगेन वी विल डिवाइड. से आर कैंसल, K to K, because the powers are same, we can cut A also. 1 upon 27 is equal to 1 upon 3 to the power x. It again become 1 upon 3 to the power 3. 1 upon 3 to the power 3 is equal to 1 upon 3 to the power x, means x is equal to 3, and the order of reaction will be 3. Okay students.